let's go inside, guys. So you will see, this is the best restaurant here in Azerbaijan, GABALA. And let's go inside and let's feed our little tummy, guys. Let's go. So guys, this is the activity that you are
enjoying here at NOHUR Lake.
We are in the middle of the lake right now, guys. As you see that, we're in the middle of the lake.
So they call it KATAMARAN.
You need to have strength, guys, to paddle this. And also, this is really beautiful, very romantic, right, babe?
Exactly.
Happy wedding anniversary, love.
Yay.
This is sweet. We are doing this for the very first time, right?
Exactly.
Together. No. We do this before in no, in the Philippines.
In Lakewood.
Yeah, no, not in Lakewood, baby. You forget.
In Baguio.
Yes, we do it in Baguio before, but we don't have YouTube channel that time. We enjoyed this, but this is the first time that we are married, so we are
Going to pedal.
Yeah. We're just having a good time. Woo! It's very nice. Where are we going? Babangga, talab na babangga. Baby. Oh, baby, stop. Hi! So they are dogging also. They're dog. Hi guys! So guys, this we order. It's half already, but it's huge. We never expect this is big because we take half, but look at that. It's heaven.
Wow.
Smells good. It smells slump. So guys, we are already full. Still, we cannot finish the food, and my husband trying his best to finish. There is a fast, very sweet, romanticizing the view of the lake, but it's dark already. After this, when we finish everything, we will go to our hotel in Caspia Hotel, guys. So see you there. Bye.
And now we're here in Caspia Hotel, the one that Farid make the bookings for us, exclusively for us. Here at Yediguzal, Gabala.
So guys, this is the hotel. It's already 7 in the evening, almost to 8. And of course guys, I know you are waiting for our mini tour in our room, so later I will show you in 3, 2, 1, bye.